Today we're going to continue to button up the small things, getting this car ready for April 22nd. It's getting closer. We're going to get an oil change done on this, and we're going to install the tachometer. We'll be using the VR1 Valvoline. It's got the zinc it needs, 1030, and a Mopar filter. The first thing we have to do is figure out where we're going to put it. And this tachometer is an older one, but it looks to be brand new. I can't remember if it was free or $5, one of the two. It looks brand new, never been hooked up before. I ran these for years in my old Dart and other cars. I got one in drag truck too. Really simple, 4 wires. Green's going to go to the negative side of your tack. Black is ground. White is your dash lighting. And red is hot. Simple as it gets. I have always installed these right here. Most people install them here, but my cars get driven a lot on the street, mostly, and I just don't like it in my vision right there, so I put it right over here, and this is where I'm used to looking at them. It's where it's going to go. If we just take the screw off the back of this tachometer, right over here, you can select. Has the instructions. We got an 8-cylinder, and it says both whites up, just like that, both whites up. So the tack is where it's going to be. Somebody's going to say that's a good idea, and then they're going to go to try to, after they got the pedestal mounted to the A-pillar, they're going to say, how did you ever start that? Show them through here at the window. One end of this is hex, so this don't turn. And we are gonna try to get this. There it is. Can you see it? That little stud up there. And then I'm gonna try to reach my hand around. It would really help if you had 2 wrists at this point. And get this to fall up in there like so. And then I just turn that in there because that's hexed and that won't turn. That's it. And here's the driver's view. You can see that I got full view of everything, and yet the tachometer's right in my eyesight, and there's 5,000 there, and there's 6. So all the range that a fella would be looking for would be right in front of him. So I just made these ends. I just get my power, and one of them's got to go to the negative side of the tack, and the other one's got to get positive when the key is on. Best way to do that is I just run them both off the coil. And I like red for positive, black for negative. So we'll go ahead and put brown on negative and the white one on positive. Means I didn't have the right colors. I just run the wire up here with the rest of the wiring loom. And then I drilled a hole here, and we put that grommet in there. It come with the tachometer. And then we'll just run this inside there. Then it's tucked up out of the way. Just like that. Then I just put one of these ends on the black for the ground, and I'm just gonna put this through right here underneath the dash, right here to the bottom of the dash. You can just run a loom, a black loom or the color of your choice down and cover these up. The light just goes to the fuse box, which on these is underneath here, or you can run it to your light switch, or you can run it underneath the hood to the bulkhead someplace. But right now I just want to verify that it's going to work. Means it's been a while. I don't always remember exactly where everything was timed. Too many cars, too far apart in between on timing. I'm just going to verify where we are at initial, and then I'll know exactly where I am. We're at 20 degrees at just under 800 RPMs. Now my timing light says it's idling just under 800 RPMs. This is saying it's idling at about 900 RPMs. I don't know. Which one do you think is right? April 22nd's moving in quickly. We're going to keep working. Till next time, we'll see you soon.